Hey everybody, making a video of my pretty birds. There's Harriet over there, and Whitey is the yellow bird. And Kalu's over here. She's, I don't know, cleaning herself, I suppose. I just want to make a video of my birds for once, because I never have with them. So, here's Harriet and Whitey. I was listening to music. I was listening to Miranda Lambert, but now, oh, I guess I don't have to listen to it right now. Hi, Whitey. How are you guys? Well, I had a very sad day today. I heard that one of my friends' cat died today, and it made me really sad. I was crying a lot today because I really like that cat. I mean, I spent a lot of time with him before, and he's such a sweetheart, and he's so cute, and I just loved him a lot. He was one of the sweetest cats ever. His name was Sullivan. And just talking about it makes me feel like crying, so let's just not talk about that right now. Let's talk about my birds and my cat. Actually, I have two cats, but my cat Precious never wants to be on the video. She's always hiding all the time, so might as well just forget about having her here, but I do love her just as much. I actually do think, though, that I have a picture of Sullivan on my computer somewhere. I know, I'm just talking about how much I'm going to cry, and then I'm going to look at his picture, right? I just want to show it to you guys who's watching my video. If you can even see. Oh, there it is. So small, but that's Sullivan right there. He's so cute and sweet. And it's a shame that something happened to him. But I knew he was having kidney problems. But it's really sad. But anyway, like I said, let's concentrate on the animal that I do have, which is my cat Precious, my two birds, and my beautiful Kalu. Alright. Oh, hi Whitey and Harriet. You guys are on video. You gotta say hi to everyone watching. Say hi everybody. Pretty Whitey and Harriet. And Kalu's over there watching them. She's not gonna get them. At night when we go to sleep, we always have them in separate rooms. Just to make sure my cats don't go after the birds. Oh man. Everyone can tell that I've been crying today. Just listen to my voice. But I just wanted to make a video and show off all my pets, but unfortunately I can't get Precious, which sucks because I would love to have her on video too. Aw, Whitey's getting closer to the camera. Why are you moving? Come on, Whitey. People want to see you up close, girl. Hi, Kalu. I just want to say something to my friend in Violin real quick, the one whose cat died. Just want to apologize and say that I'm really upset too. I mean, I don't know why I have to apologize. It's not like it's my fault. I should say I'm sorry for your loss. I know how really sweet Sullivan was, and I really loved him myself. So, hearing that he died made me really upset. But anyway, I know you must be even more sad since you had him for so long. But anyway, just wanted you to know other people are really sad too. And I hope you can go to the SPCA someday and get yourself another cat. One that you love just as much as Sullivan. That's all I wanted to say. Now, you can say hello to my birds. Mwah. I think I scared Whitey a little. But, mwah. Hi, Whitey. And little Kalu. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now. Bye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed seeing my birds and Kalu. Peace.